What's going on, guys? Today we're just going to be doing a nice, sweet, simple product review. Oxilam LEDs actually sent these out for me to try and compare to against the stock bulbs. So we're going to go ahead, toss them in, check out the difference. So right off the bat, you can see very nice packaging. Go ahead, these are the 7443 bulbs. We got white. So the housing on the RSXs are red, so the white should be fine. Let's go ahead, pop this open. As you can see, very nice bulb LED. It's got it on the top, on the sides, all the way around. So let's go ahead over to the car, turn the car on, compare it, see what the stock bulb looks like, and then we're going to toss in the LED bulb and see the difference. So we're back at the car. This is the stock bulb that comes in the car factory. You know, it's all right. And then over here we have the LED bulb. Look how much brighter this one is. And then we'll step back and do a little compare and contrast. I mean, look at that. Way brighter. Way brighter. And the LED bulbs typically always last a little bit longer than the standard bulb. And you don't have to worry about touching it with your fingerprints like the factory bulb, because, you know, you can burn out the factory bulb by touching that. As you can see, this bulb was already kind of burnt out. It's got that little faded color to it. So let's go ahead, pop this other one in and look at them together. All right, now we have both of the LEDs installed. Look how bright they are. It's hard to tell when both of them are installed, but the before and after, you could definitely tell. So we'll see how long these end up lasting. I'll do like a product review, but LED bulbs last way longer, so I'm very confident that these are going to last a very long time. So pretty awesome.